during respiration. Plants. To do the experiment, we require test tube, beaker containing distilled water, germinating seeds of beans, cork with one hole, a conical flask, measuring cylinder, freshly prepared potassium hydroxide solution, petroleum jelly, a glass delivery tube bent twice at right angles. Procedure. Put a few germinating gram seeds in a conical flask. Pour 4 ml of KOH solution into a measuring cylinder. Transfer the KOH solution into a small test tube. Tie a cotton thread to the neck of the test tube. Suspend the test tube in the conical flask above the germinating seeds. Close the mouth of the conical flask with a cork. Insert one end of the twice bent glass tube, that's the delivery tube, into the conical flask through the cork and dip the other end in a beaker containing water. Use your finger to take some petroleum jelly. Then apply the petroleum jelly on the cork to make the apparatus airtight. Keep the apparatus undisturbed for 2 hours. Observation. After 2 hours, it is observed that the level of water in the delivery tube rises, in the end dipped in the beaker of water. Conclusion. The germinating seeds in the conical flask release CO2 during respiration, which is absorbed by KOH in the small tube. This creates a partial vacuum in the flask, and the vacuum forces the water up the delivery tube. This proves that germinating seeds produce carbon dioxide during respiration. Human beings. To do the experiment, we require a test tube with freshly prepared lime water, a cork with 2 holes, 2 glass tubes bent at right angles. Procedure. Take a test tube containing freshly prepared lime water. Take a cork with 2 holes and fix it on the mouth of the test tube. Insert the glass tube A and B into the test tube through the cork so that the end of the glass tube A dips in the lime water. Breathe out air with full force by putting your mouth on the end of tube A. Breathe exhaled air vigorously into the tube for at least 1 minute. Observation. The bubbles of exhaled air gradually turns lime water milky. Conclusion. The only gas which can turn lime water milky is carbon dioxide. When carbon dioxide reacts with lime water, it forms calcium carbonate, CaCO3. So we can conclude that carbon dioxide, that is CO2, is produced by the process of respiration in human beings.